Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will be reviewing Dudley Spare. So here's a brief summary of him. Dudley Spare, otherwise known as the Octane Game Pitty, is a pneumatic forklift who worked as a pitty on the Octane Game team. He appears in cars, working a pit row, and performing pit stops for Billy Oilchanger. Now here's some trivia. Dudley's diecast incorrectly depicts him as a short forklift, considering his artwork depicts him as tall. Which is what Stacy here is. His diecast has the same model, angry looking expression, has not Chuck, who was a Queen's Pitty, and a Fin Octane Game Pitty was released in a team set, which was 2009, I believe, and I'm matching his art. However, he's not labelled as Dudley Spare. Now, let's move on to his design. So as you can see, he's really got orange and yellow. Octane Game size. Turbo vitamins, so some sort of medication. Same on the other side. Forks, and got a little hat as well to keep him cool. And here's a toolbox. And the wheels, well, they don't roll. And one little nitpick I have with these tyres here, there's not sure if you probably can't see it that well, but here's a little hole here, and you meant to stick it into here, which, I mean, it looks kinda good, I suppose, but it's just unrealistic. He'll be much better if you just do it on there, and you can carry his tires over all the way to Billy. Nice. Thank you, Billy. And not to mention, there's an Octane Game top as well. And let's see, I think it was first released in 2008. With obviously, I think there was probably Billy and all that. And 2009, it was released in a vertical 4-pack with him, Octane Game Crew Chief, and two other pitties. And let's see, I think it was also released as a single as well, but I believe that was only once. And I think that's pretty much all there is to say. I'll see you in the next video. Subscribe.